with Uber in Maharashtra. Moving on what's brewing, drone as a service startup Garuda Aerospace has closed its Series A funding round at $22 million. The round was led by SpitiGap, which invested $12 million along with participation from other global investors, angel investors, and high net worth individuals at $5 million. The company had already secured a $5 million tranche in funding from an infrastructure development company, a group of angel investors from India, UAE, and Singapore. To talk about the fundraise and company's growth plans, I'm now joined by Garuda's founder and CEO, Agnishwar Jayaprakash, and my colleague, Arundhati Ramanan. Welcome to the show, Agnishwar, and congratulations on the fundraise. Now, can you tell me what's the company's post-money valuation after the $22 million round, and where do you plan on deploying the fresh capital?
Well, we are very, very happy that we have raised $22 million. This is their largest Series A fundraise in drone sector history. We've been very fortunate because despite the funding winter and very high uncertainty in the global economic and funding scenario, we're very happy that such a large ticket size, and our goal was about $30 million. But at the same time, we are still not yet done with our Series A. We still have another $8 million to go. But we are very, very satisfied. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to utilize these funds in order to ensure that a lot of technology is going to be built indigenously, especially in the software, AI, and ML aspects. That can be integrated to our drone technologies that can further create an IP and a tech mode, because we've been focusing a lot on indigenous Make in India drone capabilities. But the drones are not just hardware, it is a lot of firmware and software and intelligence that goes behind these drones as well. So that's what we're going to be doing with these funds. We're very happy that we've been able to raise. We will definitely be super valued, but I'm not chasing valuations right now. Our goal is to impact 1 billion people positively, and I'm sure the goal of the first ever Indian drone unicorn startup will be a reality very soon and very shortly.
Right. Hi, Agnishwar, Arundhati here. So you're not looking at valuations right now. You want to impact 1 billion people, and your Series A round is not done as well. You've said your business model is recession-proof. So what do the company's financial numbers look like right now? And what are your growth targets? Also, what is the split between products and services in terms of your revenues?
Ever since the drone laws were liberalized in 2021, there has been a huge impetus for indigenous Make in India drones. There has been a lot of progressive policies made by the government of India, especially by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, in terms of ensuring that there is loans for drones, 50 to 70% subsidies on agricultural drones, which is what Garuda Aerospace has been focusing on. So we would foresee anywhere between 55 to 60% of our revenue coming in from drone manufacturing, especially in the agri-drone sector. And the rest of the money will be coming in from a lot of services and precision services that we're offering to both industrial as well as the defense segments. We have been quite fortunate to have been associated with several big names, including the likes of Lockheed Martin, Elbit Systems, Tata Rallis, Cognizant Technologies, who have helped us to and supported us with a lot of amazing technologies that has gone into integration into our drones, and that has made our drones much more smarter, more user-friendly, and we're also focusing on ensuring that these advanced drone technologies is made affordable in rural India. So that's where the whole services angle comes in. Garuda has always been very passionate about training youngsters all across India, especially in rural India, and we're continuing to do that, and we're very happy that this fundraise of 22 million will enable us and give us the bandwidth and the runway to ensure that there are a lot more technology tie-ups and partnerships that will create a huge disruption in several multi-billion-dollar segments in India.
Now, Agnishwar, IdeaForge, which is another player in the drone manufacturing space, has today filed its papers for the IPO. Have you set any timeline for the IPO, and how are you approaching the idea of going public?
I think that it's a very welcome sign that a lot of companies are going public, especially in the drone space. You know, the lens in which drones were viewed historically and compared to now, we are definitely seeing a huge difference. And that is why you're seeing large Series A investments coming into the sector. We feel that there's going to be a lot more companies raising funds, and there is going to be a lot of IPOs in the next couple of years. But our focus is by 2024, latest by 2025, we'll definitely go public. But before then, what we wanted to do was cement market dominance in India, ensure that we have over 1,000 crores in terms of revenue, and also expand globally to 100 countries. That has been our goal, and we feel that we will definitely be able to achieve them with the new investors that we have. They're very progressive in their mindset. We also have amazing advisors who are guiding us. And I think you all know that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is our brand ambassador and
Right,
also our
yeah.
shareholder. So that's very exciting times for us. And especially in the IPL, we're going to be launching our new ads. We're very excited about them. And we're certain that we're going to go public by 2024.
All right, so go public by 2024. We're running out of time, so if you could quickly tell us, can you give us a sense of what your fleet size is currently and take us through your deployment rate and by how much are you planning to expand that?
Absolutely. We currently have the largest drone fleet in the country because we have a very large services segment of about 400 drones spread across 26 different cities. We've served major clients like Tata, Godrej, Adani, Reliance, L&T, Jindals. We've been using drones and ensuring that there are a lot of probes, sensors, magnetometers, high-powered sprayers, and cameras that are embedded onto the drones to ensure that our clients have increased efficiency and reduction in expenses. But moreover, we are disrupting a $3 billion precision agri market. That is why a lot of investors are seeing tremendous value. They're doing it in an intelligent and a smart way.
Right.
And we feel that going forward, we're going to be using our funds in a very smart and a strategic way.
Okay.
We've never used investor funds to burn cash ever in the past. Garuda is already a profitable company. So what we are intending to do is stay unit economic focused,
Right.
profitable, market agnostic, and recession proof. That has been the success of Garuda Aerospace in the past, and it will do so in the future as well. And I believe that the game of drones has just begun, and Garuda Aerospace will definitely ensure that it will become the first ever drone unicorn startup by 2024.
All right, Agnishwar. We're completely out of time, but thank you so much for joining us on the show, and we wish you all the best for that target that you've set yourself.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
On that note, it is time for us to head into a short break, but coming up next,